everyone, Abhilasha here. Nice to see you again, and if you're new, welcome. Please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon which is here. And today we are doing one of the most requested and asked topic. Contouring for double chin. How to hide the double chin. What do I do of my double chin? Can I remove it? No, not that difficult. I have just contoured right here and you will see how amazing it is to hide your double chin. All you have to know is the correct product and the way to do it. So let's go. Double chin is something that I've had this question over years. Well, technically every face shape is different. Some people are just generically round face shapes. There are like 7 types of face shapes. There is oval, there is pear, there is round, there is square, there is oval. So when it's a round shape, you have this part which not necessarily might be a double chin, but it's little rounder. And I've had my clients, my brides, my friends, family, everybody asking how to get rid of this. Well, if you are slightly on the plump side or happy healthy side, a lot of face exercise will help you, a lot of face yoga will help you, and also working out will help you. The minute you start working out and you start sweating and you start doing cardio, your face starts shaping. It becomes sleeker. You must have all at some point in life done weight loss. If you're generically blessed with a thin self, good for you. But every shape is beautiful. Everybody is beautiful. Today we are covering is how to take care of the double chin, and there is no problem. It's extremely easy. It's just to understand the correct color, the correct product, and how to do it. So why don't we begin? This is a corrector, concealer and a foundation palette, cream based by Bobbi Brown. It's so beautiful. It's got so many different colors, and this is where you'll understand how to contour and hide your double chin. So you have this and then you have this. They all start light and go to the darkest. When you're looking at your double chin, this part is what you need to work on. So applying a corrector here does not make sense because you need to take care of this part. You need this part to be sharpened out. So mine is already sharp. So I will show you how to select a color. Anything has to be 2 or 3 shades darker. So if you're contouring here with a powder or a cream, doesn't make a difference. Just make sure you're taking these darker shades if you're on the tan and the olive skin side. Any of these. Your medium browns, your deep brown, not the darkest brown. Medium and deep is fine. Again, you need to know your skin color to get the correct contouring color. So I am going to take this color right here and you need to place it here. Placing it on the bone. When you place it on the bone and when you blend it, it will look like it is contoured. When you place it up and you place it down, it's not helping you much. We need to cheat the color. When you are contouring, you're basically creating depth. So this is what will help you. I'm going to go on the bone, and when you have double chin, you need to take it here. Don't you worry, we will blend. So it should look like it's a part of your neck. The minute you have your dark color here, you'll see how even my face looks sharp. Let's take the sponge, and this is where the main job begins. You're supposed to blend it upward, blend, 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 and then you're supposed to take it under the neck. Whatever is here will come down here. Whatever is here will go up and down, up and down. This is how you're going to blend your jawline. You see that? Immediately, even me, although I don't have anything here, it looks so amazingly done. Blending is very important. If you're doing it with powder, also make sure you take it down. Make sure you blend it out. You see that? Try this. But yes, it takes a lot of practice, takes a lot of time to let go of the color, to apply the correct amount of contouring color. Takes a little while, but when you get to that, it's absolutely worth it. And then all you have to do is blend and it's done. Voila! I hope you liked this tutorial. This was contouring for your double chin or any part that you would require hiding. So this is exactly the way you will do. You will apply it on the bone or on the part and you will blend it upward and downward. So it looks a part of your face or your body wherever you're contouring. Please do like and subscribe and I will see you next Tuesday. Until then, take care and be safe. Bye.